Quick question, how many drumming videos have you saved and you still do not know what to practice today? If that's you, no worries. You're not lazy, you are overloaded. And honestly, this is the #1 practice mistake beginner rock drummers make. Too much YouTube. Not because YouTube is bad, but because it gives you infinite advice and zero order. So in this lesson, I'm gonna show you a simple YouTube diet, a filter that removes the overwhelm and gives you a clear 14-day plan you can stick to starting today. And here's what happens to most beginners. You watch one video on grip, then let's say one on doubles, then one on fills, then 5 things every drummer must do. And you feel like you learned a lot, but nothing actually changes on the kit. Because information is not the same as progress. Progress comes from one focus, repeated practice, and a clear next step. And when you do not have that, you feel overwhelmed, without direction, and you procrastinate. Not because you do not care, but because you do not know what to do first. So here is the solution. You do not need more drumming videos, you need a filter. The YouTube diet, 14 days, one teacher, one track, one plan. For the next 14 days, you're gonna follow 3 rules. Rule number 1, one teacher. Pick one teacher, one voice, not because everyone else is wrong, but because mixing 10 different approaches as a beginner is like learning 10 languages at the same time. Pick one person you understand, one person who teaches clearly, and for 2 weeks, ignore the rest. Yes, it hurts, I know, but you're gonna survive. Rule number 2, one track. You need one musical context because beginners get stuck when everything is exercises with no music. So pick one vibe for 14 days. For example, rock, pop, punk, whatever you like. And you're gonna aim your practice at that one sound. And one quick note, most beginners mess this up because they pick something too hard. Keep it simple. You just need a steady groove context. Rule number 3, one plan. Now, here's what kills the overwhelm. You do not need a 2-hour routine. You need a repeatable 20 to 30 minute plan you can do even on busy days. And here is a simple template, 20 minutes total. For 5 minutes, one foundation, timing or technique. For 10 minutes, one groove, pattern, song, slow and clean. And for 5 minutes, play it with a steady cue, click or track. That's it. If you do this for 5 days a week for 2 weeks, you're going to improve more than someone who watches 40 videos and practices only when they feel motivated. And this is exactly what I do with my DrumBetter students when they are overwhelmed. We simplify first, then we build. And if this is already clicking for you, I've got something free that goes deeper. It's the Backbeat Code mini course, 5 short lessons where I show you the system I use with beginners and rock drummers to stop the overwhelm and actually improve. Link is below. Save for later. All right, so from now on, before you click a drumming video, ask this. Does this help my one track inside my 14-day plan? If the answer is no, it's entertainment, not practice. And entertainment is fine, just do not confuse with progress. So here's your challenge for the next 14 days. One teacher, one track, one plan. Comment below what you picked. That little commitment makes a huge difference. And just to recap, if you are overwhelmed, do not try to do more. Do less, but do it consistently. One voice, one musical goal, one simple plan. Because once you have a filter, you stop guessing and you start building. Now watch the video that's going to appear right here. It is the perfect next step for your 14-day plan. I'll see you next week. Bye.